Hi children, in the first class we learn about resources. In the resources, natural resources, man-made resources, human resources, and in that first one we learn about the natural resources. In the natural resources, natural resources again classified into on the basis of origin, on the basis of development, on the basis of renewability, on the basis of distribution, and on the basis of ownership. 5 classifications are there. In the 5 we learn only one, that is on the basis of origin, that is what is that, biotic, abiotic resources. But now we are going to see about on the basis of development. If you see on the basis of development the resources, what if you see this example of on the basis of development, this is also classified as on the basis of development: actual or developed resources, potential resource. Actual and developed resources, potential resources. Okay, you can call actual or developed. Next, potential. So this classified as actual. First, if we see actual or developed resources which are already existed and their quantity and quality fully known, that are using by us, which are already existed, that are used, and also their quantity quality fully known. Example, in Arab countries, what oil wells are there, oil deposits much there. Okay, in the Arab countries, so that already existed in the land. Okay, that we can call as the developed or actual developed resources. And also in the African countries also we can find many gold mines, and that gold already deposited there. So that is existed. Deposited means that is existed, that is using, and already we know that their quality and quantity. So this we can take example of actual or developed resources. And also through the Bakranangal dam we are generating electric power. That also we can take an example of actual or developed resources. Next, if you want to go about potential and developed resources, these potential resources are those that exist but whose quantity and location are not fully known. This already existed, but those quantity and location are not fully known. Okay, and the resources are not being utilized completely. This resource, potential resources, are not utilizing completely because of what we are having. We are not having sufficient technology and money. So maybe in the future we may use completely that energy, that potential energy, but now we are not using properly, but in some part only. Through the windmills, the wind is being used to generate energy through windmills. So that we can take as the potential energy. So that also in 2 places, that is one in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. In these 2 places only, through the windmills they are making what? Energy. And also we can take another example of solar energy, also a potential energy. So these 2, through the air and through the solar energy, we can generate the what? Potential energy. So this we can take as an example of potential energy. So actual or developed energy, potential energies, potential resources. So on the basis of development, these 2 are there. Next we will see about another one. What's that? On the basis of renewability. On the basis of renewability. On the basis of renewability, the resources on the basis of renewability, in the name of that only we are Renewability. Renewability means what? Again it will come. So on the basis of renewability, the resources are classified renewable, non-renewable. Renewable, non-renewable. Renewable and another one non. On the basis of renewability, renewable and non-renewable. So renewable resources, that what we can see here, and we can get it again, that renewable resources, whatever may be that we can get it again. The renewable and natural resources can be classified as the renewable and non-renewable. Natural resources which can be produced or generated within a given period of time, so are called a renewable resources. Example, we are cutting the plants. If we cut all the plants, and again we can plant samples of the trees. If we cut all the trees, again we can plant samples of the trees. We can get it again. Okay. Sunlight we can get again. Today we are having, and tomorrow also we can have. Air, every day we are having. So these are all again coming. Okay, so this we can call as the renewable resources. Again we can get this all. Okay, are you understand? And also we can call these resources, the sunlight and air, are unlimited in quality. Air and sunlight are unlimited in quality. How much we want, that much we can get. Understand? So that's why we are calling this unlimited in quality. They are called also inexhaustible. Inexhaustible. That can't exhaust. It can't exhaust, and continuously we can get it. How much you want, that much you can get. How many years you want, that many years you can get it. It is a what? Unexhaustible. And they are called inexhaustible resources. Their quantity is not limited. That's how much we want, that much we can take. So this is under renewable. Again we can get that. That's why we are calling renewable resources. Understand? Another one is the non-renewable resources. This not renew. We can't get again that are all. Examples. Rock. If we use it once, we can't get it again. We can't plant another rock. Yes or no? So that type of resources we can call non-renewable. And also minerals. Also we can take under non-renewable resources. So in this way, on the basis of renewability, renewable resources, we can get it again, that are non-renewable resources which we can't get it again. If we use once, it will exhaust. We can't get it again. If we use that coal once, if we burn it, it will become as ash. We can't get it again. But renewable, we can get it again. Okay. So in this way, renewable, non-renewable resources on the basis of renewability. Next we will see another one. Next, on the basis of distribution. On the basis of distribution. On this name only we are seeing, on the basis of distribution, resource can be classified as ubiquitous. Ubiquitous is nothing but that presents everywhere. And localized. Ubiquitous, localized. These two are there on the basis of distribution. Ubiquitous means that presents everywhere. Example, air. Air presents everywhere. And again, sunlight also presents everywhere. Okay, so this type of resources we can call as ubiquitous resources. Okay, and sunlight and air are present everywhere and are ubiquitous resources. Okay, next, localized resources. Localized resources is nothing but that resources are having in a particular places. Example, just now we talked about in the Arab countries, what oil wells much there. Because of that, that resources are located there only. And in Africa, gold mines is there. That gold resources are deposited there only. So that type of resources we can call as a localized. But ubiquitous, present everywhere, like air, sunlight presenting everywhere, that we can call as ubiquitous resources. And localized resources is nothing but the resource is present, is located or deposited in somewhere. Okay, that type of resources we can call as what? Localized resources. Okay, so up to here clear, I think. And in the next class we will learn about on the basis of ownership, and in the next class it may be complete. Thank you, Nana, all of you. I think you understand up to here. Thank you so much.